Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Matt. We are here from Healthe to share the unboxing and setup of our Healthe solutions.
Our mission at Healthy Lighting is to provide a safer, more productive, and healthier environment for all. This is a demo of how to install and use your Healthe SPACE to protect any open indoor space. When the box arrives, it will come with two major components. Before starting installation, make sure power is turned off at the source to the location that you are installing the space. Remove the existing trim and unscrew the lamp to reveal the recessed can socket. Screw the Healthe SPACE E26 screw base adapter into the recessed can socket by turning clockwise. Screw in and secure the space's green ground wire to the interior side wall of the recessed can with the included number 6 self-tapping screw for proper grounding. Connect the Healthe SPACE to the E26 screw base adapter via the orange quick connector that's provided. Push the Healthe SPACE up into the existing can, making sure the space metal prongs are engaged with the side walls of the can and the wires are not pinched between the space and the can. Reinstall the existing trim by pushing it back up into the recessed can. Make sure the space sits flush against the edge of the trim ring, while the trim ring is flush against the ceiling surface. Your Healthe SPACE is ready for use. Now you have a Healthe SPACE to sanitize the surfaces you touched and the air in between.